I have the simplest method to make your lips look much more bigger. No need to spend a lot of money on injections. If you want to know how to go from this to that, please keep on watching. First step that I'm going to teach you is exfoliation. If you want to have that natural blood flow in your lips to make them look like bigger, you have to use lip scrubs or just a simple toothbrush to create that blood flow in your lips. This is a damp toothbrush. Gently scrub it in your lips in a circular motions. Next step is contouring, but you can also use a lip liner. It depends on your own preference or the way that you're comfortable with. But I'm gonna use a contour palette for my lips. Now it's time to take an eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna go with this color. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. Okay, now all we have to do is to follow the natural line of our lips, but only at the corners. What I'm gonna do is to outline slightly my natural line at the corners. See? This is the natural line of my lips. As we get closer to the center, we should overline our lips. You see, this is my natural line and I just want to overline my lips to make my lips look bigger. So I'm gonna overline it. Next step is to fill the edges and blend it inward. So I'm gonna start from the edges, and as I move to the center, I try to blend it. And the pressure of my hand is much more intense at the edge. I'm gonna use the same palette to sharpen the edges of my lips with a concealer. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean it. That's it. Next step is to add a color to the edges and to combine it and blend it with the contour. I'm gonna use the same contour palette. I'm gonna use this color and I take just a little bit of it. I'm gonna add this color, not so much close to the edge and not so much close to the center. I try to blend two colors together. As you can see, I leave the center untouched. Next step is to add a little bit of concealer at the center. Now I'm gonna blend it with the other colors. See that? You can leave your lips like that, or you can add a lip gloss to it. I want to add a lip gloss to this look because when your lips look shiny, it is as if they're bigger. So I'm gonna add this lip gloss. This is also a volumizing lip gloss and it actually burns a little bit, but it's worth it. So I'm gonna add this lip gloss. And that's that. This is the shiny look and the previous one was the matte look. Not only your lips are big enough, but also they're more beautiful, don't you think? Achieving fuller lips doesn't require expensive procedures. With these simple steps, you can have that bigger lips and to become naturally beautiful. I'd be very happy if you like this video and share it with your friends. If you want to see me more, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!